I'm testing a new face cream today. It's by Joe Lil or Joe Lille. I don't know really. I need to ask the owner because this is my first ever cooperation with a brand. I mean, it's not really a cooperation, but I was gifted this through TikTok, and I also got a scrub. Let me show you how it looks because it's under my shower. I also was gifted this beautiful, beautiful scrub, all natural, all fine, all beautiful. And this is my first day trying them. So I scrubbed my legs today after I shaved them, and they are so silky smooth. The only thing I want to take into consideration is will this scrub make my skin more sensitive after shaving, or will it be any irritation? We will see. I will let you know. But now we're testing a face cream. It's 96% natural, so my hopes are high. It smells really, really, really nice and very natural. This is a very gentle scent, delicate scent. So let's check. I usually use Cetaphil. So this is the most neutral of the most neutrals. It really smells like a natural beauty product should smell, to be honest. Not annoying, but very gentle scent. Also, the owner kindly told me that if I like the products, they will be cooperating with me in the future. So, how big of achievement it is for little me. Yeah, so I will let the cream sink in and I'll be sure to let you know.
O Jezus, no, dobra, wiem jak. Bierzesz to piwo, które chcesz wypić i zatykasz sobie ten ametystem i możesz go wypić.
Modern problems require modern solutions.
W innych tematach, typu właśnie ludzie sprzed...
It's really my priority recently to go back to watercolors because this is a super universal medium and I need to accept this in my life because I really want to master it much more than I am familiar with it now. It will not be easy, but I will do my best. I really think it's not bad though, even if I'm not even able to draw a straight line yet. But I'm trying, okay? I'm trying. Update, it's 7:30. I'm still alone. My mom is on her way. The new the new cut tree for this studio is on the way. Because the old one, I will show you the old one when we're going to assemble the new one. And I'm having a second coffee and I'm painting, I don't know what, some flowers, just for practice. And this neighbor is cutting something all day, all fucking day. This is a very serious moment for this painting because these are just tiny flowers, but I want to make grass here and I want to make a big wash of green and then accentuate tiny little grass pieces with my thin brush. But this is a moment when I can make art or ruin it. So let's remember this moment when these flowers were decent. I will check in later. Okay, that's the finished product. These are watercolors and these are some stamps. I wanted to add some details, but I basically fucked it up. So yeah, this is the painting I was working on today. I picked up the packages I was supposed to pick, and there was supposed to be a hobonichi. It doesn't look like a hobonichi only, so I'm very, very curious, and I'm super shocked because, guys, you need to stop sending me things because I will become a celebrity, and that will be the end of me. I worried that assembling and disassembling the cat trees will be very hard stuff, but it took me maybe 20 minutes together, so it was not bad. Even it was pretty straightforward, so in a couple of minutes we've had a new toy for my two beautiful little babies. We have some first apples ready, the early apples, so we are going to check them. They are there, so let's go. Huh. Hello, apples. Smells super good. To motivate myself to paint, I decided to prime with yellow paint my moon canvas. I'm very curious if I'm going to finish it this summer. I should, because I have 2 of them. Okay, let's do something fun and let's watch some flowers. This is the cutest flower. Nyonya, cześć! Food. And these are sunflowers. Hi guys, welcome on Saturday. I have an update for you. Well, I have the pencil. I got it from my friend who bought herself a new iPad, and in the same time she cannot use this anymore. It looks perfect. It looks absolutely perfect. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. I need to charge it immediately. And yeah, I have a pencil again. Thank you so much, Carolina, for your very generous gift. and let's charge this baby. I want to start my watercolor sketchbook from Traveler's Notebook, but I'm not going to paint inside of it. I will take it out and we will see. And we will see if I like the paper at all, because I can't even remember the paper that well. Smart girl, and using a cooling pad. So smart. Hello, Yasker. Hi, baby. Bye, baby. Realistic vlog. I just vacuumed the whole place with a Dyson and I forgot to film it. Me and my friends are going to the park for a coffee and to the beach. Let's go together. I need to catch a bus and she will be already in the bus, so this is a brand new cafe made inside of a greenhouse, and you can go straight to it from the cafe and you can have a walk like we are doing now. And it was so many people, but I'm really sure I will try it out next time I'm in the park. When I started my photography adventure when I was 17, it was the best place to take a picture of the palace, and I still go there even now.
I'm just trying to make more like personal work like this. So this is like gonna be a little self.
Some days you wake up super early and everything goes so well and smoothly and you're moving so fast, and then some days for some reason you're working on something and then all of a sudden
Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So I'm at home because I had to do laundry. Don't have a washing machine in a cottage, so I picked up everything and I come here. I did not played it really well because I did not take any food, and when I opened Glovo, our delivering app, it turned out it's so expensive here in Gdańsk that I will not get food, so I'm just waiting for the air dryer to finish the cycle, and I'm going back because I have enough. My hair, I washed my hair yesterday, but it just not it. It just not it. But I did not update you guys. I met a viewer. When you see me and my friend on a walk, couple of clips ago, we were sitting in a cafe and a viewer approached me, and I know I was the most awkward person ever. I am so sorry about that because this lovely girl approached us and she said hi, and I was so shocked. I was so shocked that I had no idea what to do because it rarely happens here in Gdańsk. In Toruń, it happened a couple of times. Mainly users from TikTok recognized me, but now I don't know, and it was so unexpected that if you watch this, I want to apologize because I know how awkward I was. Uh, Let me know. We can have a coffee if you want. If you just tell me that you're the person you were there. Like, you are so adorable, so lovely, and thank you so much that you approached. And I feel so bad. Like, I think that the dryer should be done soon, so I will be very happy to go back home. But once again, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I apologize on every single platform already, on Instagram, on TikTok, and now on YouTube. um, I just hope that one of these videos you see. Temu haul. We have a Temu haul, guys. We've in our garden on the terrace because the view is beautiful. So let's start with 2 bags, cotton bags, totes. This one has wider straps and is with chamomile. It's super pretty. I really like it. And the print quality is also good, so won't fade out too quickly. The second one is fantasy / Taylor Swift related. The Tortured Book Dragons Department. It's beautiful, it's super cute. And it's double-sided. And it's not the thinnest, it's really thick. So I'm happy with the quality of the bags. I was afraid about them. I didn't know how it's going to be. But it's all good. This is a diamond painting. This is a diamond painting, and this is such a cat. Such a cat in a field of poppy flowers. I can't wait. I'm assuming Dani also can't wait. I'm sure she is very happy. I have a phone case that I forgot I ordered. Cream and blue flowers. Pretty basic. Unfortunately, my tripod won't work with it, but it's fine. All's fine. All's good. All's good. Keyboard cover. It was supposed to be burgundy red, but apparently this is burgundy red. Wine red even. So no idea. Okay, so this this is a kitty, a sticker for for a window that looks like a colored glass, and this is a kitten just looking behind the corner. It's super cute. I really like it. We will see if it takes the oh hello, if it takes the tray of if it won't get destroyed by cats. Okay, I have kitty studs, earrings, but I need to show them to you closer. Look, one, the front is this tiny kitten, and the behind is its tiny bottom. It looks like a kitty. It looks like a kitten. Nice. But of course you can wear it just as regulars, because you can also get the covers here, and even 3 covers. That's weird, but you can. So they are cute. These tiny plushy balls for Danny and Yasker to play with. Taupe watch band. Taupe watch band. Very pretty. I like the color so much. Washi tape set. Nature and vintage inspired. This is a key ring. My pet is home alone. I got it because I've always wanted to get something like this, just in case I land in a hospital next time. For example, we have 2 packets of paper stock. This one is like a vintage paper. This one is vintage paper with pieces of flowers, and they are just for journaling. I have 3 vinyl stickers. I cry a lot, but I am so productive, because they were super cheap, and mine, it turned out I mixed the papers and I printed mine on the wrong paper, and they just got super damaged during washing, and I don't have this sticker anymore. So I got these 2. These are vinyl. These will be very durable, I hope. I have witchy stickers, pretty big to be honest, but witchcraft and Halloween related. These are super pretty, but it said that these are Torture Pods Department inspired stickers. Okay, fine. 1. That's amazing, beautiful. But with every single one, you start to notice that every single sticker says the title of the album, but in different font. Like, I have 50 stickers saying the Tortured Poets Department. 50. I thought they will be themed, like something more, but no. Tortured Poets Department stickers in every single. They are inspired, but every single one says the name of the album. So I did not expect that. Let me put them back into the package. Okay. And last but not least, and this is a surprise because it looks like it's really well made. This is a supposed to be a toiletry bag, but I wanted to use it as a big pencil case or an insert to my tote bags. But it's super big and super tough material. It's a very, very thick cotton, and I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. And it's not printed, it's kind of embroidered. It's kind of embroidered. I love this. It's so pretty and so big. I will decide later what I'm going to do with it, because it's nice. This is nice. It's cool. This is cool. This is cool. This is cool. So yeah, guys, that's everything from Temu. Also, my mom had a couple of things, but she took them already. And my mom's Temu is going to be here soon. And as I suppose I have one thing there, surprise thing there, so I will be sure to let you know what's in there.